Hi everyone, this clip is taken from the full NotebookLM Tools walkthrough. And in this part, I'll show you how to install the extension, set it up, and add your first real article into NotebookLM. A quick, clear demo so you can see exactly how it works in practice. Let's get started. Now let's move to the Chrome Web Store so I can show you exactly how to install NotebookLM Tools. This is the official Chrome Web Store page for NotebookLM Tools. I've also added the link in the description so you can open it directly from there. To install the extension, you simply click on Add to Chrome. When Chrome asks for confirmation, just choose Add Extension. This step allows the extension to appear in your browser toolbar. After the installation finishes, Chrome adds the extension to your browser, but it doesn't pin it automatically. To pin it, you can click the extension's icon at the top right, then press the Pin button next to NotebookLM Tools. And that's it. The extension is now installed and pinned. Let's open it and see what it can do. The pop-up appears on screen. Since this is our first time opening the extension, it shows a setup screen. Right now, it isn't connected to our NotebookLM account yet. To proceed, all we need to do is click the Open NotebookLM button. This will take us straight to the NotebookLM website, where the extension can link to your account. Once you're signed in, the connection completes automatically. After that, the extension is fully ready to use. With everything set up, let's try it on a real article. For this demo, I'm using Stuart Russell's CNN article titled Artificial Intelligence. When I open the extension, the pop-up shows all the main tools available. Right at the top, there's a button called Open Sidebar. This button does exactly what it sounds like. It opens the same interface, but as a sidebar on the right side of the page. All the features are identical to the pop-up. The only difference is that the sidebar stays on screen while you scroll. So for example, when I click Open Sidebar, it smoothly slides out on the right. Now I can continue reading the article normally while the extension stays open beside it. For now, I'll close it and continue with the pop-up. Right below that, we have two import options, Page and Links. Page means the extension will capture the full article you're currently viewing as one single source. Links shows all the extracted URLs from this page, so you can save external references, related articles, or any other link the page contains. So in this case, since I want to save the CNN article itself, I'll choose Page. After choosing what you want to import, you can create a notebook by clicking Create New Notebook. This instantly sends the selected content into a fresh NotebookLM notebook. After a few seconds, it automatically opens a new tab with that notebook, ready for you to start working. Now let's try another example. I'll open a different article with a similar topic, this one from CNN, titled AI Could Define the Future of Humanity by 2035. Once the page loads, I open the extension again. Just like before, it detects the page automatically. But this time, instead of saving the page itself, I want to save the links referenced inside the article. To do that, I switch to the Links option. This mode scans the article and extracts every URL found on the page, and in this case, it found 199 links. Obviously, I don't want to save all 199 of them. That's where the Filter Links feature becomes really useful. At the top, I have two fields, Include and Exclude. Include lets me keep only the links that match a keyword or pattern. For example, if I only want technology-related URLs, I can type /tech. The extension instantly shows a preview of all the tech-related URLs. But this is only a preview. Nothing is applied yet. So if I remove the keyword, the list immediately goes back to the full 199 links because I never pressed Apply Filter. It works like a temporary lens. I can quickly see what the filtered results would look like without locking anything in. The second filter is Exclude, and in this demo, this is the one I actually apply. If I type something like /audio, those links disappear from the preview. And when I click Apply Filter, this time the filter becomes permanent. The full list is replaced with the filtered version. Now the list contains no links that include /audio, giving me a much cleaner set of sources to work with. Before I finish filtering, there's one more set of tools I want to show you. These three buttons right here, Hash, Params, and Clean. Hash removes the hash fragments in a URL. That's anything after the hash symbol. A lot of news sites add these fragments for navigation or tracking, and they're not really useful when you're saving sources. Params removes URL parameters like question mark UTM, underscore source equals, or ampersand ref equals. These are usually just tracking tags, so cleaning them makes the links shorter and easier to read. And then there's clean, which combines both actions. It removes hashes and parameters in one click. For this demo, I'll actually click clean. You'll see the URLs instantly update. All the long tracking parts disappear, the hashes are gone, and the list becomes much cleaner. This is the version that will be added to my notebook. Simple, readable, and consistent. Now that the list is cleaned, filtered, and ready to save into Notebook LM, I'm not creating a new notebook this time. I already have one for all my AI-related articles. So I simply choose Add to Existing Notebook, and this panel appears. Here, the extension shows all of my Notebook LM notebooks, and I pick the one I want to add to. In this case, Stuart Russell, Navigating AI's Promise, Peril, and Control. Once I select it, the extension marks it as selected. All I need to do now is click Add 180 links. The extension processes everything in the background and sends the cleaned list straight into Notebook LM. A few seconds later, the Notebook LM panel updates to show my account and the exact notebook I selected, confirming that all filtered links have been successfully added to the same research collection I've been building. And this is really the best part. Instead of collecting URLs one by one, the extension lets me gather dozens of relevant links in just a few clicks, clean them up, and send them straight into Notebook LM. Now my notebook includes sources from both this article and the earlier one, all neatly organized in one place where I can continue my research without losing track of anything.